Stocks keep on climbing. The major indexes notched new records as investors liked the optimism expressed by the Fed chief on the economy. On Capitol Hill, Janet Yellen signaled that a rate hike could be discussed at the central bank's meeting next month. More on that in just a minute. Now, usually that would cause stocks to fall, but not today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 92 points to 20,504. The Nasdaq added 18, and the S&P 500 rose 9, its 15th record close since the election. And it's not just the U.S. in rally mode. Bob Pisani tells us which other stock markets are on the rise.
It was another day, another new high in the U.S. stock market. But the focus on the breakout in U.S. stocks is overshadowing an equally important event, a global stock market breakout. While the U.S. is up roughly 4% for the year, the rest of the world is doing even better, with new highs in regional ETFs like Latin America and Japan and Europe. What's going on? Well, first, it's not just the U.S. economy that's getting better. After years of stagnation, Europe is slowly improving. Japan is slowly improving. That's helping corporate earnings overseas. Second, as inflation is starting to pick up, it's powering a reflation trade that's lifting prices on everything from commodities to finished goods, which is lifting profits as well. Indeed, the stock markets of countries with a focus on commodity production like Peru and Chile and Brazil and Australia are at new highs. Now, what would stop this rally? Trade wars would be a big problem. That's an issue for many concerned about the Trump administration's rhetoric on tariffs and border taxes. For the U.S., it would be a delay or watering down of tax reform, or if U.S. corporations disappointed on higher earnings expectations. And the Fed's not in the clear either. After keeping rates low for years, they clearly want to raise rates, but if they do it too fast, it could stall the economic recovery and the stock market rally. It's a delicate balancing act because raising rates will affect everything from mortgage rates to credit card payments. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.